Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your eSewa login problem. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you're using. Click on the search bar, and this is where you want to search for eSewa. The main reason we are in the App Store or Play Store is to check if there is any update. As you can see, I already have an update. If you have an update too, simply go ahead and click on the update button and make sure that you are using the latest version of eSewa. The second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and clear cache or data. On an Android device, it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is open your settings, head to storage, open apps, and then go to eSewa and clear cache. On an iOS, however, it's a bit different. The first thing what you want to do is simply go ahead and back out to the main page of App Store. Click on the profile icon and click on personalized recommendations. This is where you want to click on clear app usage data and clear app usage data one more time. Then the second step you want to follow is simply go ahead and open your settings tab and go all the way down to apps down over here. Then all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for eSewa. Once you find the eSewa application, all you need to do is simply tap on that, and then you can simply go ahead and turn off the background app refresh and then turn it on again. That's the second thing you need to do. And the final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open general settings and go to iPhone storage, and again go ahead and look for your eSewa application. So click on show all, and this is generally where your eSewa is going to be located. Okay, once you find it, click on it and then click on offload app and reinstall the app. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. Also, the final thing you want to do is eSewa sometimes undergoes system upgrades, which can cause temporary login outages. So also check eSewa's official Facebook page for announcement. So if you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.